Welcome everybody to Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm talking to you about Que Standout, produced by Sunny Digital. The VST is Atmosphere. It is under the String Machines. And the preset is called Octophonic and Symbol Filters. And that was one of the presets from Que Standout. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any requests or questions, leave a comment in the video. Check out our social media for any news updates. This has been Searchin, and I'm out.